Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new safety switch on your lawnmower. Every mower is going to be a little different. In this case, I'll start the repair by removing the plastic shroud. I'll remove the retainer clip. And then there's 4 tabs I'll push in to release the shroud from the motor housing. I'll also need to remove the gas cap. Now remove the starter rope from the eyelet on the handle. And I'll thread the handle through the shroud. Now I'll remove the bolts that secure the blower housing. And I'll remove the blower housing from the engine. Now I have access to the safety switch. I'll remove the ignition wire and the screw that secures the switch to the bracket. And now I can pull the switch away from the mower. To install the new switch, I'll insert the screw and washer through the bracket on the switch and align the switch with the bracket on the mower. I'll secure the switch with the screw. Now I'll connect the ignition wire. Now I'll install the blower housing and secure it with the bolts. Now install the shroud.